everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's good to have you back again. I hope you're doing well and you're staying safe. Today we're going to be doing a painting tutorial, and I have these two shabby canvas frame. They are uniform in size, and actually I've had them for some time and I've not been able to do anything to them because I really didn't have any plan on what to do, but I decided to keep them until I am ready. I'm now ready to use them, and I want to use them to decorate my walkway. My intention in this painting, actually, I do not know what I want to do. I just want to depend on my freestyle, depending on my inspiration and what comes out of my mind. So basically this painting is not going to be anything out of the ordinary, but just out of inspiration. I hope you guys are going to like it, so please stay tuned and enjoy this tutorial. So right now I'm just going to start painting. I want to really paint it because if you can see, it has some old, like you can see, it has some colors here, because not like a color, it's worn out actually. So I'm going to first of all start painting it with a white paint. And in this tutorial, we're going to be using this white paint that I used in my previous zebra canvas painting. I used this white and also this black as well, which was the foundation for the last canvas that I painted. And also I'm going to be using a roller brush. It's already wet. I have a bucket of water, like a bowl of water, where I can dip in the brush. You might have seen this. This is like a foil, a very fine foil. This is a very thin foil, and I'm going to be using it also to decorate the canvas when I'm done. So I'm just going to keep it aside. First of all, before I start painting, I need to shake my paint very well because I haven't used it for a long time. Even if you're using a new paint in a bucket or in a bottle like this, you still need to shake it, or you stir it if it's a bucket. I'm just going to pour the paint on top of it. We have a white coated canvas. I'm going to let them dry for a while and then I'll get back to you guys. getting the squares, so I decided to bring this tape that I use to, like, it's a kind of a corrector. So I'm going to put it on the sides that I want to create the angle. So I finished correcting it. Now I'm going to start placing the foil, the gold foil on it to like give it a different kind of look. I'm going to be using the E6000 glue to stick the foils on it. And I'll pour some on this bowl.